Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients and work efficiently. Use 2 ripe avocados, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1/4 cup diced white onion, 1 tsp kosher salt, 1 jalapeno, and 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro. Have each avocado lengthwise, twist to separate, and remove pits with a spoon or safe tap technique. Scoop flesh into a medium bowl and immediately add 1 tablespoon lime juice to slow browning. Dice the onion and jalapeno finely. Set cilantro and a lime wedge nearby for taste checks. Place the avocado flesh in the bowl and mash with a fork using firm, controlled strokes. Aim for mostly smooth with some small chunks for texture. Add 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro, 1/4 tsp freshly ground black pepper, and the remaining 1 tablespoon lime juice if you need more acidity. Stir gently to combine and taste. Adjust salt in small increments so you don't oversalt. This process of mashing, mixing, and seasoning should take about 3 to 5 minutes for a quick, balanced guacamole. To store, press a sheet of plastic wrap directly onto the guacamole surface so no air pockets remain, then refrigerate. This method keeps guacamole usable for up to 24 hours. For immediate serving, add 1 tsp extra lime juice and give a final stir to refresh flavors and slow browning. Plate in a shallow bowl, garnish with a few cilantro leaves and a lime wedge, and serve with chips, tacos, or grilled vegetables. Recommend guests squeeze extra lime rather than adding salt to individual portions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.